Hey, what's going on, guys? In
PS4,
today's
bro.
video, I'm gonna show you
I
guys how to
swear.
fix a broken screen.
Just
Um, I'm not responsible for anything that happened to the screen after that. Yo, alright, so, this piece of shit right here dropped and it's broken. So, now I'm gonna fuck it up even more because I can. And because I'm kind of mad, that he broke. So, yeah, I'm just gonna smash it. Um, yeah. Oh fuck. I'm gonna smash the screen. By the way, guys, this is a great way to fix the screen. Just just
That shit
hit it with
hard.
a hammer. It should work.
Oh, there you go. Alright. Cool.
Don't forget that I'm
Alright,
not
so
responsible for
I
anything that
finished
happened to
smashing
your
it.
screen. Alright.
I think I
Do not
fixed
do
it
this at
now.
home.
So let's turn it on.
As you can see, the screen is fixed.
Yeah, I fixed it. Hey, let's play COD again. Nah, I'm playing.
Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys drop a like and subscribe. And yeah, tell me how to fix. Tell me if you want to learn how to fix something else. So I'll make a video.